A story of a boy born in the hills of Castelli to struggling Italian farmers, a kid who faced the challenges of a new life in Canada. You know, the thing about success, it's not just about the cash. You need a why, something beyond the dollar signs. And for Sam, it was about giving back, a deeper calling that only revealed itself after embracing a more spiritual path. 50 years in the car collision biz taught Sam a thing or two, lessons he wished he'd known when he started out. That's why he poured it all into his book. The highs, the lows, the life lessons, he wants it to help you. And if Sam Mercanti can find his way, so can you.
I remember him teaching me to always treat people like they're human beings, no matter what.
Sweeping floors to leading a North American business empire, Sam Mercanti has picked up a thing or two.
Sam brought together the insurance industry directly with the body shop industry and used metrics and numbers and data to help marry the two entities together.
We had a dream to build a network of the number was 200 locations across Canada.
Sam went to insurance companies and convinced them that they could trust him.
Other people that Sam was hiring, and these guys were into data analytics and aggregation, and I was trying to figure out, what the hell is he doing?
Looking at the repair estimate, placing the order on the phone to the parts department, and then the parts are being received, could we automate that, and could we somehow get that into a computerized application?
In 1985, we developed the CARS software program management system, and it's still used right now.
It was a little scary because we didn't realize how far Sam had gotten. We thought we were the only one in the pond.
Within a week, I was on a plane to Kansas City. After 7-8 meetings, I was back and forth.
And the attorneys almost blew the deal.
I got to meet a wonderful family, and Sam in particular, I think, has been very much involved with cystic fibrosis for years now.
It's a genetic disease, which means that you're born with cystic fibrosis, and so they need help to move this mucus out of the lungs, and if that's not happening, they will continue to cough. They get bacterial infection in the lungs that then damage the lungs and cause permanent problems.
So in the 90s, my dad opened a franchise in Mississauga, and he was also clueless to CF. He went to Sam Mercanti and said, my granddaughter has cystic fibrosis. We have to raise funds. We have to do something. And Sam, right away, I will do that.
And you fast forward a number of years today, and under Sam's leadership and giving and commitment, CARSTAR's given more than $5 million to cystic fibrosis.